Gina with WTI, and if you're into making your own products for skincare or hair care, then you need to check out this 100% coconut oil from Handcraft blends. I really like that this is fractionated coconut oil, which means it's in liquid form and it's easily absorbable into your skin. I like that this doesn't leave a greasy texture on my hands. We did recently use it at a hair growth serum making party, and everyone really appreciated how well it went with the essential oils that we use. And because it doesn't have a scent of its own, it doesn't overwhelm any of the oils that you might be combining with it. This is the 16-ounce bottle, and it's lasted a really long time for all of my DIY projects, which I really appreciate. It also comes with a pump on top, which makes application into smaller bottles a lot easier. This has definitely been my go-to for my carrier oils for all my projects. I just really love it, and that's my point of view.